Alec, come on, let's go.
All right, man, what are we doing?
So we're heading to our composite shop to check out our UCWs being built in-house, well, in their facility, because recently we've been told that our parts are made in China. So we're gonna go check out the units being made in real life in not China.
Did you want me to complete this one?
Yeah, let's complete this one and we'll build it. And you guys can
paint it and everything? Or?
Yeah. So yeah, in my opinion, that's gonna be fine, and then any difference is gonna conform. And then we also epoxy it on.
Right.
Just to fill in the voids and make sure it doesn't get water intrusion.
Yep.
But that looks fine to me, based on what I'm seeing.
Sweet.
Yeah, I don't even know which one's left and right. I think this one's not, because it's not even close to being parallel.
Right.
Where this one's fairly close. Yeah, so this one's, yeah. See, like some point out there,
right.
This is actually where this goes, and then, you know, the uprights just bend to it from there. That's part of having like a curved blade.
Right.
I think it's good to me.
Remove this section here so we won't have that same squeeze out, and the bag will actually come out. We can tuck it all really nice now.
Okay, cool.
And then,
thank you guys.
so you're happy with it?
Fuck yeah.
The way it is, we'll just move forward.
All right, so we just finished up at the carbon shop. We're working out some things on ramping up our production because we continue to be back ordered. So we're trying to work on improving lead time, reducing our lead time, and reducing how long it takes to produce them, because they are still labor intensive. So exciting conversation with them, and we'll keep on driving forward with hopefully producing higher quantities in shorter lead times. All right, we just got back from the composite shops. We are now building the wings on our workbench. So each one of these wings are hand built. We actually fasten and bond the wing mounts onto the wings here at the shop. We have fixtures for this. We have a very specific process, and then we do end up buffing and polishing each wing before it heads out the door to a very high gloss finish. So Chris is finishing up this wing right now, which is going to go on our GR86 here shortly.